Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making Nana's Magical Soup. This soup is so delicious, healthy, completely vegan and plant-based, and easy to make. So those are all of my favorite things. So let's get started. So now to start our soup, I've turned my element on medium heat and I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well as all of my vegetables. And the thing I love about this soup is you don't have to chop anything super fine, which takes a long time, and I always hate. You can chop everything really chunky because you're going to blend the soup together. So today I have 1 medium sweet potato that I've chopped up as well as peeled. I'm going to put it in, along with 2 red bell peppers, 2 carrots, which I've also peeled and chopped up like so, and as well as 1 large red onion, which I've just chopped up. Now I'm going to be adding in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, but you can also use diced. This one is up to you. And now we can also add in our veggie broth. You can add in water as well, but I really like adding in a veggie stock because it adds a little bit more flavor. So today I'm adding in 4 cups, which is just 1 whole package of it, which is awesome. It's pre-measured for me. Just a splash more. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil and then lower the heat down to a simmer and cook it until all of my vegetables are nice and soft and I can blend it all together. So now it's just the waiting time. I also forgot to add in a very important ingredient. So today I'm going to be adding in 1 of these vegetable bouillon cubes, which adds a great amount of flavor. So that's a very important step that I totally forgot, but now I'm remembering and it's not too late. So that's all that matters. So now that my soup has been simmering for about 15 minutes, I can take off the top and check it, poke it with a fork, make sure everything's soft, as well as give it a stir. And for me, I've already checked it. Everything is nice and soft. And the thing I really love about this soup is it's really great as an immune booster. So if you have a cold or you're feeling a little under the weather, this is the perfect soup. So now it's time to blend our soup all together. So you can just use a blender for this, or today I'm using my immersion blender because I really love immersion blenders. I don't have to get another thing dirty. Well, as dirty. Now we can add in our coconut milk, and today I have 7.5 ounces or 200 milliliters, depending on how you measure things out. Now this is a great point to try your soup, see if it needs anything. It's optional to add in a little bit of black pepper. So I'm just going to do a dash of black pepper as well as a dash of white pepper, but this one is totally up to you. And then it's done. I love this soup because it's so easy to make and it's so flavorful without really having to add in any spices and just using the flavor of the vegetables. Okay. Now that it's nice and hot still, I can add it to my bowl. I'm excited to try it. This is one of my favorite soups. Just a splash more. And now this is also optional, but I like to add in a few croutons just on top, as well as, who doesn't love a good crouton? They're so yummy. There we go. And now the only thing I need is a spoon, which I forgot. Now let's taste it. So good, so flavorful as well, and it's really nice and warming for a cold day, which I love, so I think it's perfect for winter. And I also want to thank Lady Likeables. She is my friend on YouTube and she made this delicious soup. It's where I got the recipe and I make it all the time. She also does a lot of great meals of the week, which are gluten-free, so make sure to go check her out. I love her channel. Also, if you guys want to check it out, I should have a playlist right over here or over here of all of my vegetarian recipes, and I have a bunch of soups on there as well, so make sure to go look at them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye now.